Good morning, good morning. Don't worry about the hair, I shall be sorting that out, and my face, I shall be sorting that out in a minute as well. Today I am going to be on Jewellery Maker, so I thought I would show you what I'm wearing for my Jewellery Maker today. I am wearing a top that I tie-dyed over the weekend. This little shrug, just to keep me warm, because I am actually wearing a jacket, but I didn't want to just have just like a little vest top on if I have to take my jacket off. I've got my these are like walking trousers. You can zip them off just here to create shorts if you want to. And all I've done is I've literally got some ribbon and tied them at the bottom there. I've got my Tesco boots on, but I've literally pick that up because that looks really nice, doesn't it? I've picked them up. I've tied them up. I've got a little orange sock on as well, just with a little bit of ribbon, and it kind of cinches them in at the cuff like so. And then I think they're crag hoppers. Yeah, crag hoppers. So I've got those on. I've got my Gucci belt on, and I've got a necklace that I have designed. I'll show you that there, you'll be able to see little necklace there. In fact, if I flip you around this way you can see it better. I've made and designed this. It's literally just out of copper coloured aluminium wire, so it's really light. So I've done that, and then obviously I'm going to be doing my face and get my hair done. So I thought I'll probably show you how me putting on my makeup or something like that, and then I can show you a little bit around where I work at Jewellery Maker. So today is Tuesday, so yeah, I shall see you in a sec. That's me back. Not very nice weather today, it's been raining, so I'm just going to have my bath. That looks really bad, doesn't it? Move that out of the way. That was from me bleaching my clothes the other day. As you can see here, I have a bleached top. So anyway, yeah, so that's basically Tuesday done and dusted. I'm back at work, my other job tomorrow, so yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'm actually, I think tomorrow going to be, I've got some clothes that I need to get listed on my Etsy shop, which I shall link below, and do my blog probably tomorrow, so about my Etsy shop probably. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hello everybody, so I have finished work ages ago actually, but thought I would just quickly come on and show you what I have chosen to wear today. My skirt that I got from eBay last week. I've got a top that I got from a charity shop. I love this top, it's like an Ace of Spades top, just a jumpery type top. And then on my feet, move that, on my feet I have got snakeskin boots, and there we go, and that is that. And there's somebody at the door, so it's probably a delivery for me. Is it? It could be. Anyway, so that is my outfit of the day. are we all today? I have finished work and I've just literally finished filming. So that video will be up right now. So I will link that at the end of this video. That will be up right now. It's a few of the bits and pieces that I got on an online haul. So I'm sure that's how we're all shopping at the moment. So a few key pieces that were missing from my wardrobe. So I thought I would dive in. And while there's some good bargains on at the moment, I thought I would get in there. So let's have a look at what I'm wearing today. Today's outfit, I have got on my biker kind of faux suede jacket because it is quite cold. So I'm just basically using it as a sort of a cardigan. I've got my Guns N' Roses t-shirt that I got in Las Vegas at Beacon's Closet. I think it was Beacon's Closet. And then I got my Moschino belt on, and then this tiered beauty is Topshop, and I got that in the sales as well. So this is one of the things that I got, but I absolutely love it. I think it's such a great skirt, and stars will never go out of style. And my combat boots. So that is what I'm wearing for kicking around the house today and making videos. So yeah, that is what I'm doing today. I think we're having chicken curry tonight. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you soon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. So the first thing I got was this dress here. You've got this chain detail on, as you can see. And this was £13. It's a bit closer, you'll be able to see. Look at that. Shimmy. But yeah, so I absolutely love that. And that was £26. Hello everybody. So today my outfit is this t-shirt. It's Jamie and his magic torch. It was a TV programme back in the 1970s. So I've got that on. I've got my little denim jacket, which I'm probably going to switch out for a cardigan in a bit. I've got my brand new trousers that I hauled and got from Very the other day, and then just my boots. I've been to work today. Today's Sunday, and I haven't vlogged over the last couple of days. I've just been really tired. But today, I don't know what I'm actually going to do today. I'm not 100% sure. In fact, let's flip you around. So today, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I'm not sure about... I don't know, I was going to... I've got some stuff to photograph, and I don't know. You know what it's like? You kind of have all these plans ready, and then you think, oh, I don't know. But I've got... I just want to show you something. Is it easily accessible? I've got all of this here. All of this in here. Some of it's on my Etsy shop already, but a lot of it isn't. So I'm just... I need to photograph stuff and put it on my Etsy shop, basically. And I'm procrastinating whether to do that or not. I might do. Might do it today. I might do it tomorrow. Who knows? But anyway, that is what I'm wearing, and maybe what I'm up to a bit later. I might just take all my makeup off and do it again. I don't know. And I need to sort my hair out, and you know, it's just one of those days. So yeah, I shall see you later on. Well, hello. Today is Monday, and you'll never guess what. I finally took my pictures of Etsy and for Etsy even, and I've uploaded them. So I have some new items over on my Etsy shop. If you want to pop over and go and have a look, I will pop the link below. Also today, I don't know if you remember, but I got these earrings not last week, the week after, before that. And I've been kind of having a play about with polymer clay, and I made these today So I've made these, and then I've also made some of these here. So I've got these earrings here. I need to just give them a quick sand around the edge. And then I've got these here as well. So I've just been having a play with making some statement earrings with polymer clay, and I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, I might put some of those once I've kind of finessed it. Obviously these are just samples, I suppose you could call them. Once I've finessed it, I might put some of them on my Etsy shop. So as you can see, I only did the 2 tiers for this one because the 4 tiers on this one, quite long. But anyway, so that's what I've been doing today. My outfit of the day, I have got a polymer clay, actual polymer clay necklace that I designed and made. I've got my Michael Kors spotty dotty top on. I have got this wonderful skirt that's got like, if I bring you down here, it's got all like New Yorky style things, 42nd Street. It's even got yellow taxis and the Empire State Building, not the Empire State Building, Statue of Liberty and all that kind of thing. And then I've also just got on my boots. So that's it really. That's my outfit of the day, and that is probably going to be it. I probably won't do any more vlogging. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are all staying safe and just doing our bit as we all are. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you are subscribed, click that notification bell so then you know when I upload a video. I will be uploading another video on Thursday. Now, I think that video might be about Etsy. Possibly. Oh, actually, no, it's not. Scrap that. It's not. This week's video is going to be about, well, you'll just have to tune in on Thursday at 4 PM GMT time to find out. So I shall see you soon. You take care of yourselves. You take care of everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating.